Hello, I'm Derek McCann. I work here in Ireland with Irwin Vise-Grip tools. We'd like to spend the next minute or so looking at some new developments on Vise-Grip's famous locking plier range. The Vise-Grip. I'd like to show you this tool, which is the 21st century version of this tool, which we're all familiar with. This is the 10R Vise-Grip. We're familiar with how it works. Offer it to a workpiece, adjust it for tension, clamp it into place. To release the tool, press the release trigger, the tool springs open and the job is done. This tool, however, is the 21st century version of the same thing. You can see by looking at it that it's superficially the same tool. What is not immediately obvious is that they have removed the release trigger. That means that this tool is a single-handed operation tool and works in this way. Just as before, offer it to the workpiece, adjust the tension, lock it in place, and to take it off, simply press the lower trigger and off it comes. What you don't see with this tool is the increased engineering standards which have been built in. Irwin outperforms the best of the rest. And Irwin's undertaking to you is that this tool will last at least twice as long as any equivalent tool from an alternative manufacturer. Both tools, however, have the problem that if used on nuts or on round bars, they tend to slip. Irwin have produced this tool, their 10CR tool, to counteract exactly that problem. This tool has been engineered to work beautifully on hex, square or round materials. Look closely at the jaw. You'll see that the lower jaw appears not quite to fit properly in the tool. If you apply a little force to the tool, the lower jaw slides forward and you get a perfect mate. What's happening here is that this tool is automatically self-centering on the workpiece. It gives the absolutely optimum position for perfect grip on the workpiece. What you don't see here is the addition of engineered compound leverages within the tool itself. This delivers 3 times the clamping force on the jaws of any of its predecessors. This tool also has soft grip handles which provide comfort and security in grip, and this tool also has the fast release mechanism which allows it to be operated one-handed. The 10CR Vise-Grip, rounded jaws for perfect mechanical fit on the workpiece. Extra compound leverages, 3 times the clamping force on the jaws. Fast release mechanism for one-handed operation. And soft grip handles for comfort and security. To demonstrate just how good these CR tools actually are, have a look at this. This is a piece of round bar. Applying the 10CR to it, you can see the tool is adjusting itself to the bar. Clamp it on. As you saw, no great pressure on the clamp. I'm now going to stand on this tool here, and it shouldn't budge. As you can see, even out further on the tool, still no budge. I think that's a very impressive performance from this tool. Also, of course, if we did that with one of the older tools, we would have had to apply huge pressure here. But now this comes apart with a spring of the finger. These tools are available in Ireland wherever good tools are sold. Motor factors, agri-machinery parts, agri-supplies generally, hardware and engineering suppliers. But remember, if it doesn't say Irwin on the label, it isn't an Irwin Vise-Grip tool.